Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we are going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to break down, analyze, and understand Ethena finance. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another review here. Today we will be using AI to look at and break down Ethena finance, or Ethena Fi, as you can see here. So if you're new to this series, I'm going to assume that you're watching this video because you are the type of person that likes to understand a project before you invest. And so this is what I can promise you, is that by the end of this video you will have a very, very solid understanding of the idea behind Ethena, the product it's bringing to the market, that the way the team is executing on that idea, that product, that vision, the adoption from the market, as well as the community and the team. And so as always, let's start with the executive summary just to get an overview of exactly what this project is all about. So Ethena Labs is a decentralized finance project designed to provide stablecoin solutions within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It leverages blockchain technology to offer secure, transparent, and efficient financial transactions. Ethena Labs fits into the DeFi space by focusing on creating innovative stablecoin products that can maintain value stability while integrating seamlessly in with various DeFi platforms and applications. So there's basically it goes deeper into it, but what we're going to do here is score it based on the idea as well as the product that it has. So what I'll do is pause the video. We're going to look at the significant problem that it's looking to solve, the uniqueness that it's using, the USP essentially, as well as the product itself. So I'll pause the video, we'll come back and analyze the results. Alrighty, so we can see here basically the idea came back with, we'll call it an 8.3. Essentially, the significant underexplored problem is really we're looking at volatility. It is the problem of cryptocurrency volatility with its innovative solutions, with its innovative stable coin solutions. So that is 8.3. Definitely not bad score overall. While it's not entirely revolutionary, the project introduces meaningful advancements in stability and integration within the DeFi system. So the USP, if we want to look deeper into it, into what it actually does, the mechanism and seamless DeFi integration, which is communicated clearly but lacked groundbreaking differentiation. So there's evidence and logic that we can look into, dive into the differentiation solutions like USDT, USDC. The link will be in the description here for anyone who wants to dive deeper into the nitty-gritty here. And then as far as the product goes, we see that there is a functional, user-friendly product, good technical feasibility, 8.3 overall. We can see they have good development progress compared to the competitors, such as USDT, USDC, DAI. Ethena Labs offers unique advantages such as enhanced stability mechanisms and seamless DeFi integration. While these features are beneficial, they represent incremental improvements rather than revolutionary changes. The project's focus on stability and usability sets it apart, but must continue to innovate to maintain its competitive edge. So 8.3. Right, moving forward here, we're going to look at the execution and the adoption of this project. We're going to be basically breaking down how effectively do they execute on their vision, comparing it to the initial roadmap, things like that. And then we're also going to look at the adoption metrics as well. So are people using this token? Is the token holder metrics growing? You can see here the chart. We look at four things specifically: total transactions, total holders, token holder growth, and total active users. So I'll pause the video. We'll come back and look at execution and adoption. Okay, so for the execution, we can see indeed that the team is executing on their vision. They are working away here, making consistency and agility is big. They are ticking off milestones. Communication frequency maintains high frequency communication. So really everything that you want to see. Potential areas of improvement: enhancing customer support, providing more detailed development logs, could further boost user confidence. So yeah, 8.4 there you see there for execution. And then adoption, pretty decent score here for adoption for a relatively new project. You see it's really not that old, but we definitely get some decent metrics here as far as that's the prompt. Sorry, the evidence and logic. We can see 20,000 holders. Total transactions almost 5k in the last 7 days. So yeah, decent score there, 8.5. Let me grab the answer. That is the evaluation. Oh, we got it already, yeah. Cool. Alright, so moving forward, now let's look at the community. That was 8.5. 8.5, let's look at the community. We'll be basically analyzing their socials. We'll be looking at their level of engagement, also the sentiment of the engagement. So essentially having ChatGPT look at and analyze the comments. Are people positive? Are they excited about various updates and enthusiastic about the next things, the releases and such? And then we'll be looking at the team. Now, obviously, if you look on the website, this is Arthur Hayes' project, who is the top dude behind BitMEX, and then there's a bunch of high-powered other crypto fellas here. So I would say that the team will be pretty high score, but let's have a look. We'll pause it, we'll come back, look at community and team. Alright, so community comes back with an 8.3 and team a 9.2. As expected, we were going to get a very decent score there. This was 9.2. Or was it 9.3? Yeah, 9.2. So as you can see, dives a little bit deeper. That's the prompt. Looks at the Guy Young, CEO and founder, and then obviously Arthur Hayes here, former CEO of BitMEX, contributing strategic insights and credibility of the project. So he's put his name behind it. Now, it was surprising, like they're talking here 33.5% APY, which is like insane. It sounds too good to be true. I mean, it just does. However, there's some solid names on this project. I think it's you got to deposit Ethena to get those types of returns. But yeah, certainly an interesting project to look more into. We can see fundamentally. What we'll do now is just get the final score, see where it lands with its overall score, and then technically we can see really not enough data to be drawing any massive conclusions or anything like that, but I would point out that there is a big W that is formed. It's just confirmed on this candle right here a couple of days ago, so that is certainly a bullish pattern, and this thing could be on its way up very easily, I would think. So the ENA, let's see just finally what the final score came back with as. We're going to have to try that again. Let me just pause it. Alright, so we can see came back with a 8.5 right in the middle of the field. 8.5. Good score. So that pretty much concludes it. Again, pretty sound fundamentally. Really nothing, no red flags or anything, backed by big names in the crypto space. So I think that what I'll do is just put this on, and if you got some value, go ahead and please hit the like button. That certainly helps us out. And then also, if you like the idea of using AI to find alpha in the market, I will have a link to our free community below. Go ahead and join that, and come and mastermind on various other creative ways that AI can be used for success in business and investing. That will be the topic of the group. So I hope to see everybody in there. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see everyone in the next video.